Yes, sir.
So as I said, so now you can see first three alkanes does not have any further isomers, only having what? 1, 1, 1. Is it yes or no? So now from butane onwards, it is starting from where? 2, 3, 5, 9, 18, 35, and 75. So after this, millions of hydrocarbons, understanding millions of isomers will come. So that is all we no need to study. So till n is equals to what, guys? N is equals to 10 we will study. Is it okay, everybody? So now,
Yes, sir.
Sir, heptane is 9 only, no, sir?
yeah, heptane 9. Heptane.
Yes, sir. Number of isomers.
Yes. What happened?
No, sir. I had doubts.
So now, if you'll observe here, everybody, notice it carefully. So now, shall we proceed, guys?
Yes, sir.
How to find it? See. So now till 7, n is equals to 7 alone. Please kindly remember, n is equals to 7 alone. Understanding, behind we cannot go. The formula which we can find to identify number of isomers is 2n minus 1. So everybody try. I am giving you 2 minutes time. Everybody try. Is it coming or not? Tell me. And the 8th alone, till n is equals to 7, we can follow this. And the n is equals to 8 alone, we can follow. 2n is the formula. So please all of you follow it, and either it is coming or not, tell me.
Sir, in that n value, we should write the number of carbons, sir.
Yes. Number of carbons. Is it coming or not? You have to tell me.
For everything, we should find, sir.
Yeah, first 3 it won't come. First 3 already we know. 1, 1, 1. Till n is equals to 7, we can follow this formula. Now, sir, I don't want this formula. I don't like this formula. So now few members, you can try with this formula. This is also n is equals to 7 only, guys. N is equals to 7, it is applicable. So that formula is, understanding, 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. Please follow this. 2 power n minus 4 plus 1. So this is the formula for calculating number of what? Number of isomers. Already I have written printed papers this formula, and this formula also we can use it. Now you can check it. So let me start with n is equals to 1. N is equals to 1, what will come, guys? You can see. N is equals to 1 what? N minus, as I said, n is equals to 1, 2, 3, it won't come. Is it yes or no? N is equals to where we have to start? N is equals to where we have to start?
4.
N is equals to 4 only, it will start. So 4 minus 4 plus 1, which is equals to what, guys? 2 power 0 plus 1. So as we know, 2 power 0 means 1. 1 plus 1 what? 1 plus 1 what, guys? 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So n is equals to 4. What is the number of isomers? Check it. 2. Is it correct or not? Yes?
Sir, 2n minus 1.
Wait. It won't come. I will say. N is equals to 5. Tell me, guys. N is equals to 5. 5 minus 4 plus 1, which is equals to 2 power 1 plus 1. If you speak, it is good. If I am only saying means how it will be good. So 2 plus 1, which is equals to what? 3. Is it okay, guys? Next, n is equals to 6. N is equals to 6, what will come? 2 power 6 minus 4 plus 1, which is equals to 2 power 2 plus 1, which is equals to what, guys? 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5. So like this, n is equals to 6 and 7, you check it. So n is equals to 7.
Sir, 6 I got 5, sir.
Yeah, n is equals to 7. All of you check it. Everybody. So n is equals to 7. What will come? So 2 is 7 minus 4 plus 1, which is equals to
9, sir. 9
is equals to 9. Have you got this? That is what I am saying. So till n is equals to 9 alone, this formula will be worked out. So after this, no formula will be applicable to calculate it. So now if you will go. Understanding up to n is equals to 7 only, we will use this one. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody, please respond. Now, 2n minus 1 formula. Sir, how to use 2n minus 1, I will say. So now, n is equals to, let me take, n is equals to how much, guys? 4. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
So now if you'll check it, so now here we have to assume n is equals to, I think this is only, yeah. First one correct. So 2, if will get 2. Correct only. So now first one, what is the butane number of isomers? So sorry, Amma. Here you can assume this one. So that is what I felt. Correct only. So now if you'll notice it, so N is equals to butane onwards we will start. So butane, what is the number of isomers? Number of isomers.
4,
Butane
sir.
number of isomers. But number
2,
of
sir. 2, sir.
So now that number we have to substitute here, and if we'll do subtraction, we will get next one. So 2 into 2 is equals to what? 2 into 2 is equals to what? 4. 4 minus 1 is equals to number of isomers are 3. So now here, next one you can check it. So now, next one, N is equals to 2 into 3 minus 1.
Butane house at 3.
Wait. Butane not. Next one is 3. This is pentane. So 2n minus 1 formula, this one we have to substitute. Is it okay, Padmarsini? That is what I am saying. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So this one we have to substitute it. We will get the answer. So now if we substitute the 3, we will get the 5. Clear? Now you can see 3 to the 6. 6 minus 1, how much it is, guys? 5 it is. Okay. Next, if we substitute, what will come? 2 into 5 minus 1, which will come 10 minus 1, which is equals to what? 9 it will come. Okay. So this is what? 5 over. Next we have to substitute 2 into 9. And 2n formula we have to use it here for 8 alone. So 2 into 9, which is equals to 18 will come. 18 for what? N is equals to carbon. The carbon number is equals to what? C8. Clear, everybody? So that is what I am saying. So this formula also, if you get confused, you leave it also 2n minus 1. So use the formula 2n minus 4 plus 1. Is it okay? This is the formula which we can use till what carbon, guys? N is equals to 7. 2n minus 4 plus 1. After that, you do these values alone, you please remember. So C8, you can remember. C8, H18, 18. Is it okay, guys? 18,
Yes,
18. We can easily remember, correct? Next one, 35. Next one, 75. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So now, 1 second, I will check this also. All of you try 2n minus 4 plus 3. Is it coming or not? Just I will check it. See 10 minus 4 plus 3. So what is this value? 10 minus 4, 6. So 2 power 6 plus 3, which is equals to what? 2 power 6 means how much, guys? 2 power 6 means how much? 64 plus 3. So 64 plus 3 is equals to 67. So it's not. So okay, it's not coming. So T is equals to 7. You have to follow later 18, 35, and 75. You please remember these values. So they will never ask you behind this, but you have to exam definitely C4, C5, C6. Between these four, definitely will come. Is it okay, guys? If it is a descriptive exam, between these four, definitely one it will come. Understand, Pranav? Is it not? So you have to learn all the isomers of this butane, pentane, hexane, and what is the next one, guys? Hexane after heptane. Is it okay? That is what you have to remember it. So now, shall we draw the first one? Structures of first one, guys. Anybody doubt? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Now N is equals to 4. How many number of isomers, Harini? N is equals to 4. Number of isomers are how many? Number of isomers are
2, sir.
Number of
2.
isomers are 2. So now one is straight chain, first structure. So N is equals to 4 means what is the formula, guys? C4 H10.
C4 H10.
Correct. So all of you draw the straight chain first. Straight chain. What is the straight chain will come? C single bond, C single bond, single bond. Clear? 4 carbon. So number of hydrogens you please tell me. H.
2 hydrogen.
Yes. So middle everything hydrogen. So here what will come? Hydrogen. So this is what the first isomer. This is what, guys? First isomer of butane. Understand? So now what is the common name of this one, guys? What is the common name? N-butane, we can say. What is the common name? N-butane.
N-butane.
So now how to write the condensed formula? CH3,
CH3 single bond,
CH3,
single
CH2,
bond,
CH2,
no,
CH3.
CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. So this is what the condensed formula. So there is no branches. We can write carbon number from inside 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is only called as what? what we used to call first structural formula. Clear? Now, so a straight chain of carbon atoms, how we can represent means we can represent like this. So each dot indicate carbon bond. What is indicating, guys? Each carbon indicating carbon bond. This is what the straight chain of butane. Understanding? Straight chain of carbon atoms. Now, what is the second isomer? Anybody can say? What is the second isomer? Already have done.
Pentane.
Yes. Anybody can say what is the second isomer?
N equal to 5.
Names also. What?
Isomers 3, sir. N equal to.
Yeah, N is equals to 3. We have to keep it. So C.
Sir, what is the second isomer of butane, sir?
Butane. This is what? Iso-butane. Do you remember? Yesterday only I have done correct. Iso-butane. Do you remember?
Okay, sir.
Iso-butane, what is the scientific name? Anybody can say? Let me see who will say first. Yesterday I have done it. Check your notebooks. Iso-butane, middle carbon. Name it first. Let me see. Somebody can name this hydrocarbon. Name this.
Sir, 2-methyl propane, sir.
2-methyl propane.
2-methyl
Propane.
and what is the parental chain here, guys? Naming one
Propane, sir.
2 carbon,
Propane.
3 carbon. So it is propane.
Propane.
So propane. That is what.
Can you
Other
show
what
about?
we are observing. What, Amma?
Sir, show up. Sir.
Up. Okay. 1 minute. So this is what. So what is the structural formula? Anybody can say? CH3, CH, CH3, and here CH3. So this is what? Methyl group. So we can say number of carbons, only 3 are there. So we can name it from any side. So it will come. So this is what it is, 3 carbons and this is 4. So parental chain is prop and it is a methyl group. So methyl, it is for second carbon. So 2-methyl propane. So what is the another name of this one, Nitinath? What is another name of this one? 2-methyl propane also we can call it as. Dina, Pranav, this is called as iso-butane.
Iso-butane.
Nobody will remember. Iso-butane. That is-
Isobutane.
Now carbon structures. Carbon structures are like this. So carbon will be 3 are like this and 1 will be like this. This is what? A branched chain of carbon atoms. Okay, guys? What is that? Branched chain of carbon.
Branched chain of carbon atom.
Please draw. So this is what? Definitely these questions only will come in exam. 1, 2, n is equals to 4, n is equals to 5, n is equals to 6 within this, because n is equals to 9 also, it will be more correct, so they won't ask. But if they will ask that also, any 2 or 3 they will ask you. Or understand everybody. For example, n is equals to 7 they have given. Draw any 2 isomers of n is equals to 7, alkane. Then we have to draw any 2 or 3. I'll understand like that you have to be there.
Yes, sir.
So please proceed, all of you. That is finished. Now, pentane. Pentane, fastly draw for our today's class. Pentane. Pentane n is equals to how many? What is the formula? Sriya, what is the formula for pentane?
5, sir. C5,
C5.
H12.
Yes.
C5H12.
12. If you try only, it is coming. Ashika, are you drawing? Ashika? Yes. C5H12. So now what is the first structure? Can you say? What is the first?
Normal straight chain, sir.
Normal straight
Straight chain,
of
sir.
5 carbons. Everybody draw. Now number of hydrogens alone you fill based upon each carbon should not go more than 4 bonds. That is what you have to remember. So this is the first isomer of pentane. Understand everybody? This is the first isomer of what? Pentane. So what is the condenser formula? CH3 single bond.
CH3, CH2, CH2,
CH2 single bond CH3. This is what? So number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is what we can say. What is this called as?
N-pentane.
Understand? This is called as N-pentane. That is what you have to remember. So now, what is the common name of this one? This is the common name. Understanding? What is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name?
Butane.
Butane illa, pentane. Understand?
Pentane,
Pentane,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, pentane. That is what. So now, what is the first branched chain, guys? Where I said from the first to the left side, we have to keep the branch first. So while methyl group we are adding, from which side we have to add always? from the left side. Understand?
Left side.
So now let me take maximum parental chain. How many carbons? Parental
4,
chain,
sir.
how many carbons, guys? 4 carbons.
4 carbon.
Yeah, from the left side, not for the utmost carbon. Second carbon always we have to keep branch. So now number of hydrogens, how many? Methyl group. So now you can check it. So hydrogen, hydrogen. So here 3 bonds are there. How many hydrogens will come? Single hydrogen will come. Clear? That is what.
Yes,
So
sir.
draw along
Clear.
with me, then only they can say. If it is exam, now it is easy, but exam nothing will be remembered if you are not drawing. CH3, CH,
CH3, CH, CH2, CH3,
it will come.
branched one CH3, sir.
Yes. So now what is the weight? Akshaya, what is the parental chain here? Can you say? Naming of carbon from right to left or left to right, guys? Naming of parental chain.
Left to right, sir.
Yes,
Left to
because
right.
always the branched chain should get what? Lowest possible number. That is what you have to remember, all of you. So now this is the what is the common name of this one? Common name of this one is
2-methyl
isopentane.
Isopentane.
Isopentane is the common name. And what is the IUPAC name, guys? IUPAC name.
2-methyl-butane.
Yes, it is for second carbon, so it will come. So 2-methyl butane.
butane.
Padmavarshini, you are fully confusing. Parental chain, we have to write it. You forget it. Yeah, very good,
Sir,
Nitina.
I also said 2-methyl-butane only,
Okay.
sir.
So 2-methyl butane. Is it okay? Now third one. This is the second isomer. Second isomer. Okay. Now third one, everybody draw. Third one, what will come? Anybody can say name. Name alone. Jesse, can you say what is the third one name? Arun Karthikeyan, Akshaya, Dileepan. What is the third one? Name alone, please. Anybody? Name alone. Nobody will say.
Sir.
Yeah.
C6H14.
Yes, yes. Third one, common name is called
Hexane.
neopentane. Neopentane. And IUPAC name is IUPAC name. I am asking this only. Understand? Pentane alone, third isomer. Understand, Dhamma? So third one is what? 2,2. 2,2 dimethyl. Dimethyl propane.
Propane.
Understand? Dimethyl propane. So now you can proceed. So common name and IUPAC name. So what is the structure based upon that you can draw? So parental chain, how many carbons maximum? 3 carbons. Clear? That is what you have to remember. So 3 carbons. 1, 2, and 3. So now you can proceed hydrogens. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So this carbon already 4 over. So here hydrogen, and here also hydrogen, here also hydrogen, hydrogen, and hydrogen. Last carbon also hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So 4 carbons, 4 3s are 12. Is it completed, guys? Number of hydrogen satisfied or not? Check it. So now
Yes,
CH3, single bond, CH3, single bond, CH3, single bond, CH3. So this is what the structure. Is it clear? So now number of carbons 1, 2, 3, here 4 and 5. So what is the parental chain here? You can see. What is the parental chain here? Nitish?
Propane, sir.
Is propane. 3. N is equals to 3.
Propane.
Propane. And you
Yes,
can
sir.
see for second carbon 2 methyl.
Dimethyl pro. Yes,
2,
sir.
2 dimethyl.
2, dimethyl
are there. So that is why it is called as dimethyl propane. So this is what the IUPAC name of the third isomer of pentane. Is it okay, guys? Like this. Next, N is equals to 6, N is equals to 7. Till there, at least we have to draw and we have to learn how to name it. Is it okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is. So,
Yes, sir.
yes. So this is all about naming of unsaturated hydrocarbons of double bond and as well as unsaturated hydrocarbons of triple bond and isomers of alkanes. Clear? So now,
Yes, sir.
next class, we will go the next one. That is what we can say. Now what you will do means by tomorrow when you are free, please try to draw isomers of C6H14. Okay, guys? C6H14.
H14.
How many isomers will come? How many isomers will come?
5, sir.
5 isomers.
5, sir.
So 9 also don't draw. Hexane 5 isomers try to draw. And namings and all I will say tomorrow. And tomorrow we will see what is the isomerism in alkenes and same way isomerism in alkynes. But what is important for your exam? Only alkenes.
Alkanes.
Alkenes and alkynes, just for our idea, naming how to do just 1 or 2 compounds, I will say. Later we'll go the last concept of this deleted and not deleted portion is homologous series and as well as functional groups. So functional groups, tabular column alone we will study. After that, everything is deleted. Is it okay, guys? So that is what we will study. So homologous series after functional groups. We will end this chapter maximum by tomorrow. So with this, I will stop the today's class. Thank you, everybody. Bye. Tomorrow we'll meet. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.